OAB is a triangle. The vector O to A is represented by bold A. The vector O to B is represented by the bold B. We need to find A to B, so from here to here, in terms of A and B. Well, I know that A to B, I could go from A to O, and then from O to B. So from here to here, and then here to here. That would be the same thing as me just going from there to there. A to O, I know that's going to be equal, but in the opposite direction. So I know that I could replace this with minus A, because it's equal in size, but opposite in direction for me to go like that. And O to B, well, I already know that's just vector B. So this is my answer for part A of this question. I'm then told that P, this point here, is on AB such that A to P to B is 3 to 1. So this is 3 times bigger than this. So there are 4 parts in total. This is 3/4 and this is 1/4. I need to find O to P, so from O to P like this. Well, I know that O to P, instead of going from here to here, I could go from O to A and then add A to P. So from here to here and then here to here. O to A, I already know that that's just vector A. A to P, from here to here, well, I know that that is 3/4 of the whole thing of A to B. So that's 3/4 of A to B that I already worked out here. Remember, this vector here was the minus A plus B. So from here to here, that's just 3/4 of that. Now what I need to do, simplify it. So 3/4 of minus A is going to be minus 3/4 A. 3/4 of B is just 3/4 B. Now I can simplify this. I can collect up these like terms here. So 1A take away 3/4 A is 1/4 A. The 3/4 B, there's nothing I can do with that. That stays as it is. There we go. That is my answer. I've got 1/4 A plus 3/4 B. Can't simplify that at all. So there we go. That's my answer. And that kind of hopefully makes sense from the diagram up there. If I try and show this in a different colour. If I did do 1/4 of A, so if I went from here to here and just did 1/4 of the whole thing, so if I guessed roughly that's 1/4 of the whole thing, and then I added 3/4 of vector B, so 3/4 of B, so I'm not going to go the whole way, just 3/4 of it, not going to go the whole way to the top here, just 3/4 of that, you can see it kind of does take me to point P. 1/4 A plus 3/4 B does get me to P. So hopefully this answer makes sense in terms of the diagram.